Would you like a step-by-step guide to wealth? Hi, my name is George Escola, and on this video I want to tell you about a step-by-step program that will tell you exactly what it takes to become wealthy. Of course, you have to have the mindset that will give you the determination and the persistence to follow the step-by-step. Some people have said the mindset is 80% of success and the other 20% is mechanics. Well, a step-by-step guide gives you the mechanics of how to get from here to there. In this case, it's a step-by-step guide to how to become wealthy. So in this guide, it will take you through 7 steps to freedom. And the guide is free, and to get this guide, I will leave a link below. You can go to the 4%, get a free membership if you wish, and then take the 7 steps to freedom. There are things taught in this course that you will not learn anywhere else in the world. There's just not taught anywhere. And so this guide will give you the step-by-step mechanics of how to go from wherever you are to become as wealthy as you want to be. So click the button below and sign up for a free membership to the 4% and take the 7 steps to freedom. I wish you well in that, and I will see you at a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.